It's me, MJ. How are you? I hope you're having a fabulous day. For today's video is the part 2 of the Back to Basic makeup tutorial, the how to highlight and contour, and also we're going to discuss the difference between powder and cream contour. Without further introduction, let's get to business. I already applied my eyebrow and also my foundation. I'm a bit shiny because I use a cream foundation from this Ultra Foundation by Crayola. I'm going to contour my face into different techniques, the powder contour and also the cream contour. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to do a half and half. This part will be the cream contour and this part will be the powder contour. I'm going to apply a concealer in my powder contour, a lighter shade, the NC30. Apply it here, creating a triangle. So this is my highlighter, as well as concealing any dark circles under my eye area. Blend it using the sponge right here. Push it into my skin gently. I'm done with this part of my face. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to use this Ultra Foundation to do a cream contour, dark shade and also the light shade in my other side of the face. I'm going to apply my highlighter right there. This cream foundation is still in the yellow base undertone. Create a triangular shape. To choose a cream contour, guys, it's the same as choosing your foundation. As you notice, the shade is still in the warm side. I use a shade that matches my undertone, which is the warm undertone. It's time for my dark shade. I'm using a caramel shade, just like put it in there. The dark shade is also in the warm undertone. As you notice, the shade is still in a caramel or golden tone, so it's still matching my undertone. I'm going to create a line and also here, creating this shape to enhance or define my jawline. As you guys notice, I have a bit of a chubby cheek, so I want to hide that and creating a more defined jawline. I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter here to highlight my cheekbone and as well as creating a more defined jawline. I'm also going to apply a dark shade into my forehead. This is a very good technique, guys, if you want to enhance the features of your face. It really helps you to achieve the nice, more chiseled and more well-defined cheekbone and jawline. Also a very good technique if you want to minimize the appearance of your forehead. I'm going to blend it with my sponge right here. Sponge. Blend first the light shade. Blend it slowly but surely. Blend first the light shade and see the difference later, guys. Blend the darker shade. I'm going to blend them together like that, pushing them together. Cream contour, guys, need a lot of patience, a lot of blending and also a lot of work, so you have to be very gentle with it and slowly build your cream together. Looks like I have a very well-defined cheek and a bit of a nice jawline in there. Look at that, the difference. So I'm going to just blend it slowly, no rush. There you go. I'm going to blend this one now. So all you need to do is just blend it, push it into your skin, no dragging, and just gently push it. Look at that. And look at this. Blend them together. Blend, blend, blend. If you want to have a very obvious and well contoured face, you can just leave it like this and apply powder. But if you want it to look more natural, you have to spend more blending. So I'm going to create a more natural contour using the cream. I'm going to just blend more. Just push like that. Okay, so look at that. And also, in cream contour, you don't see harsh lines. As long as you blend it properly, you won't see any harsh lines. It takes a lot of time in blending, patience, but at the end of the day or at the end of the hard work, it will give you a nice result. So that is the benefit of cream contour. So now I'm going to powder my face, including this side right here. So I'm also going to powder them. I'm going to use my banana powder, my favorite banana powder. Right here, the loose powder. I'm going to use my brush, the Real Technique brush, and I'm going to push it in there. Powder is life. I'm going to powder everywhere. I'm done with the cream contour. Now it's time for the powder contour. There's quite a lot of choices in terms of powder contour, like this one right here. You can also find one from Makeup Forever. This one it has a 2 shade. There's a highlighter and also the dark shading, which is this one for contour. This is the sculpting kit by Makeup Forever. This one is a very good contour palette. It has 6 shades, the lighter shades and also the darker shades. This one is really good because it has a cool and warm undertone. So you have a choices which one suits your skin tone. So this one is also very good. I'm going to use this sculpting kit from Makeup Forever to contour this side. I'm going to use my contour brush by MAC. Really love it. This is a gift from a makeup artist friend. I'm going to apply this shade into my cheek area. I'm going to use my Morphe brush, the R2. Get some powder and apply it here. So I'm going to just push it in here. Oh, this is so soft. Now I'm going to grab this one right here and soak my cheek. And that's a lot of powder. Just blend it gently towards my jawline. Enhance the appearance of my jawline. Look at the difference with this one and this one. This one is very natural. This one is a little bit obvious. I'm going to do here as well. I'm going to apply some more. There you go. And here too. Apply some here on my forehead. It's very quick to do the powder contour, but it's quite obvious, and as well as it still need a bit of blending. Powder contour probably take you 1 to 2 minutes. So there's my 2 technique on how to contour and highlight. Here, as you notice guys, I can see a well-defined line on cheekbone as well as my jawline. If you want to have a more natural contour and not too obvious, you can go with the cream, because as you notice, it's not really obvious. It's still there, but you can't see any sharp lines or sharp edges. It's well blended into my skin tone, and yeah, it's really natural. It's not too much into your face kind of shading. So yep, I'm going to apply now my highlighter to give some glow into my face. It's a bit dull, so I need to have a glow. I need to have a glow. So I'm going to use the Glow Glamour by Crayola. This one right here, the Sun Kissed. Going to apply it right here. So there you go. Blend a little bit so it's not really obvious. Just a little bit. It's blush time. I'm going to use this blush right here in the middle, the Scorching Blush by Anastasia. In applying blush, you have to smile, blend your blush into your highlight as well as your contour. So that's it, my well-defined face. The difference between powder and cream contour. Overall guys, I conclude there's not a lot of difference. It's just that you have to choose the right contour palette, and also you just have to be more patient in blending and use the right tools in creating your well-sculptured features. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to use a powder contour. I'm going to just create a line there using my flat brush and just blend a little bit. I'm going to apply this one right here. I'm going to apply that to the tip of my nose there. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So there you go, the full look. I have my lashes and my shadow. The difference between the powder contour as well as the cream contour, both techniques are very good and effective in sculpting. It's just that the cream contour is time consuming, the powder contour is easy and good for everyday wear. So anyway, I hope you guys learned something in this tutorial. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.